Welcome back, everybody. HR Law for Managers is the course. Dr. Cubie Davis King with you. I want to spend some time with you now on this thing called documentation and record keeping. This is an area that is catching a lot of supervisors off guard. Never forget this, everyone. Your documentation is the only thing that you have in that courtroom to defend yourself against charges made by an employee. Your documentation. And so attorneys make bets against organizations, and 9 out of 10 times, 90% of the time, they will win the bet. And it's this, that you have supervisors and leaders and managers with shoddy documentation and record keeping. Think about this, everybody. Let me ask you a question. When is the last time you as a supervisor attended a course on proper documentation and proper record keeping for the organization? Your documentation is the only thing you have. It is your best offense against a lawsuit and your only defense in a court of law. Listen to it again. It's your best offense against a lawsuit. Documenting as things happen. It's the best thing you can do against a lawsuit, when you can show systematically that you documented the incident as it occurred. And it's your only defense in a court of law. Sometimes it would take anywhere from 3 to 5 years to hear an HR law case in court. And attorneys are betting that by the time it gets to court, by the time it gets to that jury, the original person is gone and the documentation is nowhere to be found. Your documentation is the only thing you have. The 3 laws of supervising employees in the day's work environment, write it down. Document, document, document. Document everything. One time I was in a training and someone came up to me and said, "Dr. King, our attorney told us better that you don't document anything." And I'm thinking, wow, that borders on incompetency, really. Because it's the only thing you have in that courtroom. And attorneys are betting you won't have it. When you talk about record keeping, make sure you go to your HR department. You need to know the shelf life, the time that you need to keep records. And please do not keep these records in your own desk drawer. Somebody can breach that information, and this comes under privacy. We definitely want to protect the private information of employees. And so that's a brief understanding of your documentation and record keeping. I'll teach you more in depth in the trainings that we do across the country, but that is an area that's catching a lot of supervisors off guard. Take the time to document it now. Now, I want to go to the next video and I want to talk to you about write-ups. Write-ups, and why write-ups, it's got to be absolutely critical to you protecting yourself in a court of law. I'll see you in the next video.